probably asking yourself, why is this man up so early? The reason is because we don't mess around when it comes to mopeds. And then let me just get a everything bagel toasted with butter.
Anything else?
That's it. So they don't have egg at a breakfast place. All their sandwiches have eggs on them. All right, we got our food. Let's hit the road. All right, it's finally daytime, so that's really cool. We are almost there. We're gonna go check these bikes out, maybe buy them. All right, so we got the bikes loaded up. Got a few bikes in here, and tell you what, we'll show you these at the house in just a minute. All right, guys, so we're back. We got the bikes here. Let's check out what we got. First off, we got a couple of Pooks here. I do have all the parts to finish that up, and the red bike's not bad at all. The main bike we went to get is this Honda NC50. I had originally sold this to this guy, and he's just been having a lot of problems. So I took it back, and we're gonna try to get it going here today. All right, so we just got the Honda into the shop. It's raining outside, so obviously it's still got water on it. So it's not running. I sold it to him running. It ran good when I had it, but it's just not running. So we're going to try to get it running here and see if we can't get something to happen. So I did notice that he installed an aftermarket carburetor. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and put the original one on that came with the bike and see what happens. But first, before anything else, I want to make sure that we're getting spark to the spark plug. Up here is dry, and down here is wet. I'm thinking there might be some kind of issue with the way this was sealed. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this intake here real quick.
And of course, you know I cleaned the carburetor before installing it because I have no idea what was up with it since the last time it was actually on the bike and was used. And unfortunately, I didn't have the foam air filter for this, but I have some lying around that I'll probably install a little later. And after being able to get the bike to run without the airbox, I installed it and then fine-tuned my carburetor for just the idle. And if you guys want to like and subscribe, that would help out the channel a lot. Thanks guys, and see you in the next one.